Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is episode 3 of my Chefing It Up, and we're going to be making guacamole today. What I like to put in my guacamole is avocado, lime, onions, some fresh garlic, and a little bit of jalapenos. So my sister taught me how to figure out if your avocado is ripe enough to do guacamole. All you have to do is take back the stem, and if it's brown, that means it's ripe enough. If it's still green, then that means it's not ripe enough and it's still be a little hard. You want your avocado to be a little bit mushy so that you're able to mix it in well. So with the lime, I like to roll it out on a flat surface to make sure when I cut it, when I squeeze it out, most of the juice is all squeezed out, because you don't want to have your lime just like really hard and you can't get all the juices out. Now this is an organic garlic grinder. All you have to do is just take this back, put it down, and then you can also use fresh garlic or you can use garlic powder, either one. I just like fresh garlic just because I love garlic. Garlic is just so tasty. And then I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of fresh red onions. Not too much, not too little, just a perfect amount of onions to be putting into your guac. So let's get started. It smells so good. You can smell the lime. You can smell the lime in this guacamole. So now it is a taste test. I am excited to try it. You can see this. Oh my goodness. You can see the onions. You can see a little bit of the pepper. You see how green and rich this guacamole is? I used to hate guacamole. And then my mom made guacamole. And she doesn't eat guacamole. And I tried it and I was like, what? I've really been missing out on guacamole this whole time. Like, wow. Wow, that's whack, bro. I hope that you made this guacamole while I was making it step by step. It's not hard to make guacamole at all. All you have to do is just put your little spin on it. This is my little spin. I like adding garlic to mine. Oh yeah. Wow. This is so good. This is amazing. If you don't eat guacamole, maybe you don't like avocados at all, maybe just try it with just one avocado. I did too, just because I'm a huge fan of guacamole now. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. You should. And if you want to be a part of the notification gang, hit the bell so you can get notified every time I make a new video. So this is now episode 3. Episode 4 should be coming out soon. I really hope you enjoyed this video. All my social media is down below if you want to connect with me. Let me know what you think about the guacamole. Alright guys, that's my time. Alright guys, that's my time. I will see you in the next video. Bye.